Welcome to my channel Passion Stroke. Making a craft with your kid is the most special moment of your weekend especially, and which was made easy by Fevicol Fridge Magnet DIY Kit. So you get a very handy DIY kit by Fevicol, and it comes with everything inside. So you have got shells inside, you have got the shape inside, even you have got the magnet to be attached in the back end in it. So it's very easy to make it. All you need is just a Fevicol, which is also provided inside the packet. So you just have to take it and start making it. You have the instruction ready in there and everything is clearly stated, so you just have to read it out and enjoy your fun time. So first thing which I did was I segregated all the shells in a plate so that all the shapes are well placed into the plate, and then you can let your kid choose which one to be picked first and how it has to be placed, and it's really a very engaging activity for your kid.
We have three black
magnets.
We have three black square magnets, and we have one cool Fevicol.
It takes very less time to dry, so you can place it on the sun and it can dry quickly, and then you can stick the magnet which comes along, and once the magnet is placed on the back, you can again keep it to dry, and once it is dry, then you can see the magnificent fridge magnet DIY is ready. Ta-da! Don't forget to like and share my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.